Blood tests are important for understanding our health, and they give us clues about our body's internal state. You cannot tell alone by looking at a blood test what's going on, but in conjunction with other tests, it can give you an idea with what's going on in someone's body. Now, when we look at someone's blood, we all have white blood cells. White blood cells are leukocytes, and they're an important part of our immune system. They are our immune system. There's 5 types: neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, and basophils, and each plays a unique role in our body's defense mechanisms. These are our white blood cells. Neutrophils are the most common type of white blood cell, and they're very important in fighting infections, especially bacterial infections. A high neutrophil count could indicate bacterial infections like a severe case of bacterial pneumonia or inflammation, or even conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. It could also be a response to physical or emotional stress, which does affect your immune system. On the other hand, low neutrophils make someone more prone to infections and could also be a result of chemotherapy, bone marrow disorders, or certain infections like tuberculosis. So too high or too low both could indicate things. In terms of lymphocytes, which include B cells and T cells, are important as part of our adaptive immune response, and they help fight viral infections. A high lymphocyte count could be in response to viruses like mononucleosis or hepatitis. It can also be a sign of chronic conditions like lymphocytic leukemia. A low lymphocyte count, on the other hand, can be seen in severe illnesses like HIV infection or a side effect of too much steroids, which could indicate a weakened immune system. Monocytes, which become macrophages, are important in cleaning up dead cells and debris in our body. Too many monocytes could be a sign of chronic inflammation, viral infections like mononucleosis, or autoimmune disorders like lupus. Low monocyte levels can occur due to certain types of bone marrow disorders or after severe physical trauma. Eosinophils, which are primarily involved in fighting parasitic infections and in allergies. High levels of eosinophils are typically seen in allergic disorders like asthma or eczema, or parasitic infections like a worm infection. Low eosinophil counts are less common and generally not considered that significant, but they can occur with certain steroid therapies. Finally, basophils, which are rare, are important in our body's allergic response. High basophil count can be associated with chronic allergies like eczema or certain blood disorders. Low basophil counts are rare and usually not a cause of concern, but they can be seen in acute allergic reactions where basophils are rapidly mobilized to the site of the reaction.